In my hands, I have one of the coolest taillights ever for the 19 and up Ram. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like compared to stock. These taillights are not only a tremendous safety upgrade, but they're also a style upgrade. They have an extremely bright turn signal. They have that infinity look when you look on the inside. Also, when you hit the brakes, they are extremely bright. When you're in reverse, you now have that super bright white color, the desirable modern look that everybody is searching for. That is so much better than your stock incandescent reverse light that you originally had on your stock taillights. One thing to note about the Morimoto XB taillights is that these only work with the trucks that do not have the OEM LED tails. These taillights are a complete LED assembly, which means you don't have any bulbs that you're going to have to replace in the future. They are also completely plug and play, which means even if you don't have a lot of skills, you can install it with ease. So enough talking about the features, let's go ahead and install these taillights. First thing you got to do is drop the tailgate. First thing we're going to do is remove this tailgate cable here. Just lift up on the tailgate a little bit. If you need, you can get a pry tool to pry this out. I could do it with my finger and then just remove it. Only do one side at a time. The last thing you need is your tailgate falling to the ground. Now, we're going to be right here. Let's go ahead and remove these two push tabs. There's two black push tabs, one here on the top and one here at the bottom. I gotta admit, these push tabs are a little bit silly. You do have to pull these up just like normal. There we go. Now that it's loose, that piece can come out. You can remove that. Gently work this tab out. Now that that's out, remove that and remove the last piece. Now there's only two screws left holding this taillight in. It's a T25 Torx bit to remove the top screw and the bottom screw. Go ahead and do that now. Now your taillight is free. Go ahead and pull it towards you. Now the best thing about these taillights is there's only one connection. It's right here. What you're gonna have to do is pull this red tab out, and then you're gonna have to pry these connections away. I will admit, if there's some dirt and debris inside here and it's never been replaced before or taken out, this connection might be tough. But trust me, it is free if this red tab is pulled out, and just pull it away, just like that. Now set your taillight off to the side and grab your Morimoto XB tail. Make sure you hear it click. Make sure you lock that red tab down, and then go ahead and put that taillight back in. Now what I like to do is go ahead and take those push tabs that you pulled out before, put one of them in, and then go test the taillight. That way it doesn't fall out when you're going to hit the taillights on. Now all you have to do is put all of the push tabs back in, make sure you put the screws back in, do the same thing on the other side, and you're good to go. And just like that, your taillight install is complete. But don't forget about the headlights. The Morimoto XB headlights are one of the best aftermarket LED housings for this truck. Also, we've got license plate lights on our website, headlightrevolution.com. Type in your year, make, and model, and you'll see everything there. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we have so much more content coming out every day for this 19 Ram.